Hello everyone and welcome to the latest Tropical Atlantic Marine Weather Briefing. My name is Sandy Delgado. I'm a forecaster here at the National Hurricane Center. Today is Thursday, July 18, and this forecast is valid through Tuesday, July 23rd. And taking a look at the hazards at hand, we have good news. There are no warnings or gales in the Gulf of Mexico, Caribbean Sea, and Southwest North Atlantic. Taking a look at the tropical weather outlook, there are no tropical cyclones expected to develop over the next 7 days. Very quiet in the tropics. And you may be asking why it is so quiet in the tropics. We have a large area of Saharan dust moving across the basin, and that's limiting the development of showers and thunderstorms in the area. And now taking a look at the forecast, by Thursday night, we have a broad ridge over the subtropical Atlantic. This is going to result in generally moderate to locally fresh winds in the waters north of Puerto Rico and the Virgin Islands. We also have a couple of tropical waves moving across the Caribbean Sea. And when it comes to the waves, seas up to 8 feet in the central Caribbean Sea and also up to 8 feet in the southwest North Atlantic, especially the waters north of and northeast of the Leeward Islands. By Friday morning, similar situation with the broad ridge over the subtropical Atlantic and the two tropical waves moving across the Caribbean Sea. No development expected. Wind-wise, same situation with generally moderate to locally fresh and seas, 8-foot seas in the central Caribbean Sea, and now seas up to 9 feet in the southeast waters with the trade winds. By Saturday morning, the pattern remains generally the same, resulting in moderate to locally fresh easterly winds in the central Caribbean Sea and southwest North Atlantic. That's going to result in seas remaining around 8 feet or less in those waters. By Sunday morning, the pressure gradient tightens a little bit, and that's going to allow for winds to increase to near strong force in the central Caribbean Sea, and that will result also in seas building to around 9 feet in those waters. Similar situation by Monday morning with those strong force winds in the central Caribbean and similar seas up to 9 feet in those waters. And by Tuesday morning, we still have some strong force winds in the central Caribbean Sea, allowing for seas to be around 8 feet in those waters. Elsewhere in the basin, we have moderate or weaker winds and seas less than 8 feet. So in summary, we have no gales or warnings across the basin. However, in the next few days, strong force easterly trade winds and moderate to rough seas are expected to develop in the central Caribbean, and that's going to happen nightly from Saturday night to Tuesday night. And lastly, there are no tropical cyclones expected to form over the next 7 days in the tropics. And thank you so much for your time. The next briefing is going to be on Sunday, July 21st at around 5 p.m. In the meantime, for the latest information, please go to hurricanes.gov/marine. Have a great day.